Hi, everybody. My name is Chiranga. I'm a TKD qualified English teacher from Cambridge University with 25 years of experience. I'm really good at phonology. That is all about the sounds of a language. Basically, I can help you figure out the differences between native speakers English and non-native speakers English, including British English and American English. As a non-native English teacher, I know the challenges, the difficulties that our students face when trying to understand native speakers English. That's why I have come up with really interesting and simple techniques to improve your listening skill while practicing inside the classroom. Most importantly, I don't make you learn by heart. I don't make you memorize what I teach. I teach you some innovative, creative techniques, methodologies to create your language alone. How to create a question by yourself. When a question is asked, how to find the answer, how to create the answer out of the question structure itself. By the way, I sing songs at my leisure times. If you're interested in singing English songs, I can teach you that as well. That would really be helpful for you to improve your listening, speaking, and reading skills. If you like to study with me, just try your free trial. Have a nice day.